Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this video, we are going to see how we can link SAP Universal ID, when we are trying to, yeah, when we are trying to schedule our exam, whatever is their system-based exam or scenario-based exam in SAP, we are just facing this issue like SAP Universal ID is missing. So what is that SAP Universal ID? So SAP Universal ID is the ID like it could be a Gmail ID, it could be a Yahoo ID that you just need to link to your existing ID. So how you can do that? Without doing that, you can't give the exam and you can't get a certification badge. So how you can do that? Simply this type of issue will come when you will try to schedule your exam. So this type of issue will come. So how you can resolve that? So simply what you need to do, you just need to go to Google and just search account.sap.com. So once you will search accounts.sap.com, then let me search here. Yeah. So this screen will open first you just need to log in, and you here a profile icon will come. You just need to click on that. Let me show you that also. As I have already done that, that's the reason it's not coming there. So here I'm writing accounts.sap.com, hit enter, and here you just need to give your email ID with which you have purchased the attempt and the password, and you just need to click on continue here. Once you just do that, then this screen will open, right? So what you need to do, you just need to come back, just scroll down, and what you need to do, here we are going to add our email ID, right? So here just click on continue. Once you just log in, just click on continue, and this page will come where your name, all these details will be mentioned. So what you need to do here, you just need to add the another Gmail or another email to your universal ID. Like you just need to add the universal ID. So already your email ID is this one, this is on Outlook. So make sure whatever you are going to add, it should be either on Gmail or on Yahoo. That simply means like Outlook is already added, so I need to add a universal ID on Gmail. So I'm going to add on Gmail because same domain to email ID can't be there. So I'm going to just link that to the Gmail. How I'm going to add the another email or Gmail ID to that? Just click on add identity from here and just give your email ID here. So whatever email ID for that candidate I'm giving here, click on submit from here. Okay, so this email is already linked. So we have to give another Gmail because this is already added maybe to another as user ID. It's already linked this universal ID. So we can't use this one. So we are going to use some another email. So this, then you just need to give the verification code. So that verification code will just send it to this Gmail. Just verify that from here, and password we just need to set here. Whatever password is there, we are going to set it here. So just a while. So this is done. Now that is linked, right? Now this issue will disappear, right? So this is how you can add another email if you are facing this issue while scheduling your exam, or once you're just trying to download a certification badge, maybe this type of error is coming, your SAP Universal ID is missing. So this is how you can resolve this issue. So now it's resolved. Now you can schedule your exam and everything. This is how you can resolve that. And if you need any exam support or exam help or any exam guidance, or you just want any help to schedule the exam or to purchase the attempt, you can simply DM to our team on the WhatsApp number that is available on the first pin comment. So thank you. Thanks a lot. May God bless you all. Bye.